Hey guys, Happy New Year. I know in the beginning of the new year, we always have a lot of resolutions and different things we want to change. And I also know that one of the main ones is usually about weight and diet and body and things like that. Totally get it. I've been struggling with different kinds of eating programs and crash dieting and like everything you can imagine for years. So you guys have been asking me about how I enjoy food and enjoy my life and cook for my family and friends. And one of my main things is I want to be able to enjoy all that with them, or else, what's the point? We want to enjoy the experience together, enjoy our food together. The way that I was raised, there were so many things around food. And if you think about it, great things, bad things, like things that we're going through with friends or our family or our loved ones, it's all around food. And I love that. The kitchen to me is the heartbeat of the home. And we've talked about that before too. And it's so true. So you guys have been asking me how I enjoy my life and enjoy food that I make, or going out. I live in an amazing city with a ton of restaurants and lots of enticing stuff. So how I do that, but also keep my health goals in mind. So these are things that help me, and I really hope that they're useful for you. The main thing that I do is, and I know we talk about this a lot, but it's truly a game changer for me, is have healthy food prepped in your fridge so that you don't have an excuse to like grab that bag of chips or grab that really, sweet, sticky granola bar that has, 1,000 calories or whatever it is. So having this stuff prepped in my fridge makes such a difference. So what I'll do a few times a week, if you guys can only do it twice a week or even once a week, fine. Because as you do it, I really think that you'll see how much easier it is for you to put your meals together and have some control over that. That I think it'll become a really great habit for you. And please let me know. I want to hear. So something that I'll do is I'll always have a carb batch cooked in my fridge. So a lot of times I do brown rice, like you guys know. This is actually some basmati rice that I cooked with some chicken broth. So I love having a carb. And also this will stay good in your fridge for like 5 days, which is great. I love having different kind of proteins prepped. So this is chicken that I pulled from the chicken in my chicken broth. So I pulled that from there. I also have some prepped ahead, some of my basic sauteed chicken, which I've showed you guys in an earlier video. I make it the same way. This is a staple in my house. My family loves it. The other thing that I do is I always have greens prepped in my fridge. Because at the end of the day, when I go to my fridge and open it up and I'm like, oh, I still have to wash the lettuce and wash the kale and wash the spinach, I won't use it. And I will close the fridge and just be like, okay, we are not eating that for this meal. So what I'll do is I'll have these different kind of things prepped so I could easily throw together a stir fry. Rice, chop up some chicken, throw in some kale, carrots, spinach, and this is a whole meal that's just ready to go. In less than 5 minutes, I can get a healthy, nutritious, delicious meal on the table because I took that time to get these things prepped. I've noticed over the years that I tend to make bad choices when I'm tired and I don't have things already ready to go in my fridge. So by doing this, knowing myself, I can totally circumvent that happening. There's also times where long day at work and you just order takeout and whatever. I get it. We've all been there. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. So having this stuff prepped in my fridge and ready to go makes it so that the fastest decision is the healthiest decision for me and for my family. So stay tuned for a lot of different recipes with prep ahead aspects that can make you get a healthy, delicious meal on the table in no time. And I hope this helped you guys. Let me know. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up a new video. And Happy New Year.